Hi, Miss Braybach.
Hi, Mr.
Sixth
Green.
graders, I'd like to introduce you to one of our sixth grade teachers.
Hi, guys.
Miss Braybach, what are you going to be teaching this year?
I will be teaching reading to my homeroom kiddos, and then I will be teaching science and social for our class and for Mr. Rush's class.
Oh, take a look at this classroom, kids. This looks great. Another thing, Miss Braybach, how many years have you been in education?
This will be my 15th year, but my 9th year at Minnewaska.
What are you looking most forward to this school year?
Just to see all of you guys. I can't wait to get the students here and just get our education going. We've missed you guys since March.
Awesome. Miss Braybach, we just got done with summer vacation. What were some highlights from your summer vacation?
I did a lot of camping and just spending time outside because that's the only place you don't have to have this mask on all the time.
Yes. Well, thank you, Miss Braybach, for your time, and we look forward to seeing you on September 1st.
Yes, can't wait to meet all of you.
You're entering Mr. Resch's classroom. Hi, Mr. Resch. How are you?
Hi, Mr. Green.
Time for you to meet some of our new sixth graders. Mr. Resch, what are you going to be teaching this year?
I will be teaching math in my homeroom. I will be teaching math with Mrs. Brightbox class, and I will be doing language arts in my homeroom.
How many years have you been in education, Mr.
Well, it
Resch?
feels like forever, Mr. Green, but it's year 29. I've loved every minute of it.
Wow, 29. That is amazing. Mr. Resch, what is something that you're looking forward to this year?
I am looking forward to just being back in the swing of school, working with kids and learning.
So, Mr. Resch, we just got done with our summer vacation. What were some highlights from your summer vacation?
I had the great opportunity to go and spend some time in Montana, Yellowstone, went through the Badlands, so it was a great summer.
Oh, that sounds excellent. Well, thank you, Mr. Resch, for your time, and we're looking forward to seeing you on September 1st.
Yes, can't wait to see the kids.
All right, sixth graders, now we are entering Mrs. Moedal's room. Hi, Mrs. Moedal.
Oh, hey, Mr. Green.
Mrs. Moedal, want to tell our sixth graders what you're teaching this year?
I am actually teaching language arts to my group. I am teaching technology to all sixth graders, each quarter a different class. And then I will be teaching social studies and science to both my group and Mr. Green's class.
Cool. Ms. Moedal, how many years have you been in education?
This is going to be my 8th year in education.
What do you look forward to most this year for this year's school year?
I actually am looking forward to being in a new grade. I've never been in 6th grade before, so it's going to be a fun, exciting year for myself, and I look forward to meeting a new group of kids that I've never taught.
Awesome. So we're just finishing up with summer vacation. What were some highlights from your summer vacation?
Oh gosh, we did a lot of, I have a 2-year-old named Max, and I went to a lot of parks with him. We were out on the boat a lot. We went golfing a lot. My husband Colin loves to golf. So if we want to spend time with him, that's where we got to go. So that pretty much took care of my summer.
Well, thank you for your time, Mrs. Moedal. We'll see you on September 1st.
All right, bye guys. Oh, hey, Mr. Green.
Hi, Mrs. Moedal.
Would you like to introduce yourself to the 6th graders this year?
Sure. Hi, sixth graders. I'm Mr. Green, and this year I'm teaching reading to my homeroom, math to my homeroom, and I'm also going to be teaching math class to Mrs. Moedal's classroom.
And how many years have you been in education?
This will be my 13th year in education.
Wow. And what do you look forward to the most this year in 6th grade?
I'm really excited to be back in the classroom because as many of you probably know, I was the Dean of Students last year. So I got to know a lot of you on the playground and in the lunchroom, but this year I get to have my very own classroom where I get to have my own group of kids and also get to work with Mrs. Moedal's kids as well.
And we're just finishing up summer. What were some of your summer highlights that you had this summer?
This summer I hung out with my family a lot. My wife is also a teacher at Minnewaska, so we both had the summer off, and we spent a lot of time with our 6-year-old, who will be in 1st grade this year, my 3-year-old, and my 2-year-old. So you'll learn a lot about my kids this year. I'll probably tell you a lot of stories. But they kept me busy, and we spent a lot of time playing at parks and going swimming.
Great. Well, we look forward to a 6th grade year, and it's going to be a lot of fun.
Can't wait to see you on September 1st. Sixth graders, we are entering Mr. Jurgensen's room. Hi, Mr. Jurgensen.
Hey, Mr. Green, how we doing?
I'm good. Say we're making a little video for our sixth graders.
Would you like to tell our students what you do at school here?
Hey, I'm a special ed teacher. I work with kids 4, 5, and 6, and some 7th graders, but most of the kids on my caseload are in 6th grade.
Perfect. Mr. Jurgensen, how many years have you been in education?
It's my 23rd year in education and starting my 21st year at Minnewaska.
Very cool. And what are some things you're looking forward to this year at school?
Well, it's going to be exciting to see kids again. Last year with distance learning, it was kind of a unique end of the school year, and I'm really excited to get back working with kids again. I really miss that.
So we're wrapping up summer vacation here. What are some highlights from your summer break?
We tried to spend as much time outside with all the restrictions stuff going on. I think as a family, we spent more time together as a family than other summers. So that was a good thing for me. It was just a lot of family time together.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Mr. Jurgensen, for your time. We'll see you on September 1st.
Hey, awesome. Thanks, Mr. Green. We're going to have an awesome year. Go Lakers.
Students, we're here with Mrs. Kluver. Hi, Mrs. Kluver.
Hello, everybody.
Ms. Kluver, what do you teach at school?
I am a special education teacher.
How many years do you have in education?
I am starting my 12th year at Minnewaska.
Wow. What are you looking forward to this year at school?
I am looking forward to working with a different group of kids. I've worked usually with 7th through 12th graders, and this time I'm expanding to 4th through 8th.
So we are wrapping up summer vacation now. What are some highlights you have from your summer break?
This summer, we poured a cement patio behind our garage, so we spent a lot of time in the backyard, and we took a family trip to Duluth.
Very exciting. Well, thank you, Ms. Kluver. We will see you on September 1st.
All right.